Hi, today we're going to teach you how to light a match with electricity. Um, so we're going to create a short circuit intentionally and then use a particularly thin wire to take all the power and then generate the heat. Because a thinner wire means more resistance and then power is distributed proportionally to resistance. So step one, we need to create a wire that we have to heat. So we're gonna sacrifice this little pathetic little wire here and then cut it in half. Then we're going to strip it. Honestly, this wire strip is kind of scary. Okay, but it works. We're stripping both ends. Then we can isolate a wire from one of the ends and then twist the rest together. You can solder them if you like. So we would have something like this, and then we can connect it to power. I use 2 lithium-ion cells here. Okay, this is the bridge wire, and this, I made this. So 1, 2, 3, 5. And the bridge wire just melted. This proves it has enough heat. So we're gonna try again this time, but with a match. We'll have to pre-process the match here because we need to cut out the groove to ensure maximum contact, and to do so we can just simply cut out the groove with a scissor blade. So I have the groove here. And then we're gonna make the bridge wire again. So we isolate one wire. And then twist them together. But first we'll have to untwist this. And this time, we put a match on it. So it's now in, and then and finally a few notes on power. The first thing is that you should never, ever use this 12-volt battery. because this one has an internal resistance of 21,000 ohms, and honestly everything here put together is less than 1. So this will eat away all the power, and then you end up with nothing more than a slightly hotter battery. And second, I improvised this battery case out of a charger, and then you should never cut off the USB head, because then you will lose this charger, and then since there's diode on the charger module, this part can only be used for input. So I still have to painstakingly solder everything onto the 2 terminal pads, and then it's really difficult. So that's it. I hope you learn to light a match using electricity, and then I will post another video on how to make a remote launch controller / ignition system. So stay on the tune and hit that subscribe button. Bye.